Hey and welcome to Alpha One. I have some amazing news for you in this video. As you have seen for the last two videos for this new broker for Forex, I have been copying people and well, that is not so good news. They were basically rubbish. I will show you that now, and later we will come to good news, and it's an incredible good news, so make sure you see it to the end of the video so you get part of this big news that, yeah, you will love it. I'm sure of it. So now let's get to it. Let's take a look here now. What happened? Let's go to copy trading. By the way, you can also follow and copy people here. Just use the link you see up here now, and you can sign up with this broker. But trust me, you want to sign up after my good news. So what happened? I did follow a terrible person. Where I can see, yes, this person here. OctaFX. I basically put $50 for this fool yesterday, and somehow he did manage to lose everything in one day. Yes, you heard correct. In one day he lost everything. He basically used martingale on euro against dollar, and we all know that euro against dollar have been trending upwards for a while now. And sorry for the wind, this crazy wind here in Nepal right now. And basically he blew the account. So then I decided the good news. I don't want to be copying people, and I don't want to mislead you all to follow people like him and lose your money. So I am now going to do what I've been talking about. I have made my own. Yes, you can now copy me. I did just set up this now. Risk score is 6. Don't mention that because I have not even started to trade yet. So just search for Alpha One YouTube and you will find me here now, and you can copy my trades automatically. My plan now is that I will, as always, do live sessions. I do live sessions for binary option today, but now I'm also going to start to do live sessions for Forex. And when you follow my live session and you see me do a trade, well, the trade will be automatically done for you if you sign up with this broker now. You find also a link below the video. And when you sign up and you follow me here, you basically will copy every single trade I do automatically. And as you know, I'm a profitable Forex trader. I don't trade risky. I use support, resistance, I use trend lines. That is my trading style. But best of all, I use stop loss and I use take profit. And my take profit is always bigger than my stop loss. So it's safe to copy me. Yes, I do not have this incredible win rate that some people will show you, but at least we are profitable. And we have around 60-70% win rate. But as our profit is bigger than our stop loss, that means that when you're trading, for example, let's say you have a stop loss and the stop loss is $100. If you lose, I make $150 when I win. So we always make more for each winner. That's why we are profitable. Even if I had a 50% win rate, we would have printed money. So make sure you sign up now with the link below, and you can automatically copy every single trade I do with this broker. How amazing is that? So that's the good news. I hope you enjoyed. I will give you updates. You can see how much profit we have made and all this good stuff later. So I hope this is something that you all found as a good news also. I see you soon.